This is your parliamentary representative, Kenny D. Anthony. St. Lucia is now under hurricane watch. This means that we are likely to be impacted or hit by Hurricane Beryl. The hurricane will start to affect us from tonight into Monday. It is likely that the south of our island will bear the brunt of the effects of the hurricane. Our constituency will, therefore, be directly impacted. This is a very dangerous hurricane. Take the warning seriously. Please prepare as best as you can. If you believe your house is unsafe, go to the designated shelters until the all clear is given. If you can, store as much food and water as it is possible to do so. We must pay special attention to our elderly, our sick, and our bedridden. It may be wise to take them to the hurricane shelters, especially if they are in areas likely to flood. Our fishers need to bring their boats to safety. This must be done today without delay. Remember to secure your medication and documents. Place your important documents such as your passport, ID, birth certificate, and so on in a plastic bag or zipper bag and store them in a safe place. I ask that you cooperate and heed the warnings and advice of the Disaster Preparedness Committee. Remember, we are in this together, and so we must look after each other. Take care, be safe, and take no chances. Let us hold hands. Let us put all our differences aside as we face this looming disaster. Let us pray to God that we are spared the worst.